Here's how you can get the Big Easy Accounting add-on for Google Sheets. So the first thing you want to do is be in a blank spreadsheet, and you want to click on your icon and make sure you're signed into one account. If you're signed into more than one account, we ask that you sign out of all accounts and sign back into the one you're going to use for Big Easy. And you'll go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. In the search bar, you can put in Big Easy, and Big Easy Accounting will come up. You'll click on the icon and do an individual install. From there, you'll click on your Gmail. You'll click Continue. You'll scroll down and click Allow. So now the add-on's been installed under Extensions on your spreadsheet, but you'll need to open your first Big Easy spreadsheet after that. So you'll click on Complete Additional Setup now, and that will take you to our website, which you will put in your credit card information here to get the 14-day trial, and from there you'll go back to your blank spreadsheet and click Done and close out, and go to Extensions, Big Easy Accounting, and click on Open First Spreadsheet. Now you'll put in the name of your records here and your starting and ending date of your records, and you would pick a list of expense categories to track and click Submit. Once you do this, there will be a link in the middle of this page that will open up your first spreadsheet. If it doesn't open, it's most likely because you're signed into more than one Gmail account. Okay, so from there, this settings page should open, and you'll click on Extensions, Big Easy Accounting, and click Initial Setup Support, and that's where you can set up your system. There are instructions on our webpage and instructions here. We ask that you follow these instructions, and if you would like to take advantage of our 3-day custom setup support, you can do that, and that's it. Thanks for watching.